In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send pictures on Gmail quickly and efficiently. Whether you're sharing family photos or professional images, sending pictures through Gmail is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to open your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Your inbox is your starting point, so once you're there, the next step is to start composing your email. Look for the Compose button, typically located on the top left corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to open up a new email draft. With your blank email draft open, it's time to focus on adding your pictures. In the draft window, you'll notice various icons. The one you're looking for is the Attach Files icon, which resembles a little paper clip. Click this icon to begin the file attachment process. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your device's files. Now, you'll need to search for and select the photos you want to send. If you wish to select multiple files at once, hold down the Control key on a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac. While holding the key, click on your desired photos. Once you've selected your pictures, it's time to add some details to your email. Start by entering your recipient's email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending your pictures to the wrong person. Immediately below the recipient field, you'll find the subject line. Think of this as your email's headline. A concise subject can help your recipient understand the gist of your email at a glance. Don't forget to include a personalized message if you wish. This is where you can add context to the pictures, perhaps explaining where or when they were taken, or simply greeting your recipient. Adding a personal touch not only provides clarity but also makes your email more engaging. Finally, after you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with how your email looks, it's time for the final step, sending it off. Locate the Send button, typically found at the bottom of the window, and simply click on it. Your email, along with the attached photos, will be sent to the recipient's inbox. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to send pictures on Gmail. With these steps, you can easily and efficiently share your memories and experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!